Hare Krishna, welcome to the online classes today. So today we are going to discuss very important subject matter, that how the importance of devotee associations that change our life. So we will be discussing on this subject matter 325-23 of 325-20 of Bhagavad Srimad Bhagavatam. Before we start our discussion, we will offer our Mangalacharan. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Amagyanatimirandasya Gyananjanasalakaya Chakhurunimilitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Sri Chaitanya Manovistam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Soyam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Sri Jutapada Kamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavanam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Sri Raghunatham Mitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devan Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana ललितां श्री विशाखमितं च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनी श्री वृषावानुसुत देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुएव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यः वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमति भक्तिवेदांत स्वामीति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So thank you very much. Today's verses is very good, that how the importance of association, because at present moment we are sangha dosa yukta, we are contaminated, our consciousness is contaminated and the modes of material nature. So we are sangha, the sangha yukta dosa. So how to free the contamination? Due to this contamination of modes of material nature, we have been rotting and rotating in this material world. We have been suffering in this material existence. Therefore, how to extricate, how to purify this contamination, how to get out from this contamination is the purpose of life. So today we will learn that how we can, extricate from the entanglement of or attachment of this sangha yukta, or attachment of these modes of nature. So there is a beautiful verses here. You can see 325-20, today's verse. Prabhupada liked these verses very much. Very often he quoted these verses. So here you can see here that prasangam ajaram pasam atmanah kavya vidhu saeva sadhu sukrita mukhya dwaram apavritam. Very nice verse. So saeva sadhu sukrita mukhya dwaram apavritam. Every learned man knows that very well. Every learned man knows very well that attachment for the material is the greatest entanglement of the spiritual. But that same attachment, when applied to the self-realized devotee, opens the door of liberation. So our life, we are now sadhu, we are now infected by the modes of material nature. We have a contamination. Our just like a water. Water is like a muddy. When it is muddy, it is either muddy or clear. So at present our consciousness is contaminated. Sangha dosa yukta, contaminated by the modes of material nature. Somebody is contaminated by the mode of goodness, rajagun. Somebody is contaminated by mode of passion. Some contaminated by mode of ignorance. But we are infected. We are infected at present moment. Our very existence in the material world is a testimony that we are infected by some modes. So now the solution is that we have to get out. Here it is said that the attachment is there that entangle our spirit soul. Your spirit soul is not supposed to be encaged and encaged in this in this material body and undergoing repeated birth, death, and so many obnoxious, countless obnoxious misery. Being a spirit soul, we are not supposed to undergo all these things because our contaminations, because of our association, because our unholy association with the modes of material nature, unholy association with the material energy of the Lord Maya. So we are contaminated. The consciousness is contaminated. Therefore now we have to get out from these contaminations. That is the most important thing. Here it is said the sadhur eva sa eva sadhu sukirta. We cannot change our association. We cannot stop our association. But we have to purify our association. Because there is no question of stopping our association. Just like a child. Child always like to play, but we cannot stop him. They want engagement. You cannot stop him his engagement. We have to change his attachment from playing to go to school and read the education, undergo education and all. So therefore this attachment or the contamination has to be purified. Just like I have got a cataract, I cannot pluck out it. This is not the solving of my problem. I have to purify, you have to cure that cataract disease. And that curing process is important. Because with association, we are entangled, we learn, just like a drunkard association. A drunkard, when you associate with the a drunkard, we learn how to drink. Sangat sanjayate kamaha. Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said as Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that sangat sanjayate kamaha. So here the attachment they develop. So a person develop attachment for them, and for such attachment loss developed. So when you attach or associate with particular things, particular person, we develop that attachment. We develop that lost attraction for that. Therefore, sanja sanjayate kama, sangat sanjayate kama. So when you associate, just like a businessman, he associates with the businessman, he develops that desire to do the business. Similarly, when you when you associate with material person, so we develop that material desire for sense gratification, which is the root cause of our material bondage. It is a root cause of our material bondage. Joshitam sangi sangam. It is stated in Bhagavatam that the beautiful verses Bhagavatam Rishabhdev say that Mahat Dwaram Ahur Vimukta, Mahat Sevam Dwaram Ahur Vimukta, Tamadwaram Joshitam Sangi Sangam. When we associate with the materialistic person, then we are entangled. We desire, we develop the desire, sangat sanjayate kamaha. We develop the desire for sense gratification and entangle ourselves in this material existence, then go to hell, leads to hell. Tamadwaram. Tamadwaram means, the meaning of Tamadwaram means we open the gate of hell. That means we are paving, we are leading, we are going on the path of hell. That causes the bondage. So very important that how association. Judge Bernard says that a person is judged by his company. When you associate with the bad people, then we develop that attachment for all the things. Our consciousness is contaminated. We develop the attachment for the material things, mundane subject matter. Therefore, very important, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say that sadhu sanga sarva shastra kahe, lavamatra sadhu sanga sarva siddhi huye. The association of devotee is paramount important, indispensable, and gives all perfection. Whole idea of how to get out from this contamination, how to get out from the infection, We are infected. We are materially infected. Bhavaroga. Bhavaroga means repeated birth, death, old age, disease. As Krishna says, Janma Murti Jara Vyadhi Dosha Dasanudarsana. So we have been infected by the modes of modes. So many attachment. We have attachment for family, attachment for children, attachment for wife, attachment for the job. So we have so much attachment, material attachment. As long as we have this material attachment, we are not going back, because a diseased person has no access. A diseased person, as long as we are a diseased person, we cannot do anything healthy. So as long as we are diseased, we cannot be happy. Therefore, Rishivadev told that first of all you cure the disease. As long as you are diseased condition, you want to be happy, that is not possible. You go to hospital and you say, how are you? If somebody telling I am cool or I am happy, he is lying actually. His hospital, his disease is suffering. Therefore, Rishivadev very nicely given a statement that that custom kaman arhati vidbujam. You are in disease condition due to this attachment. You want sense gratification which is available even dog eating animals. Stool eating animals like dog and dog. So what is the speciality? So therefore it is said that, Rishivadev says that first of all you sattam suddhate, you disinfect yourself from that attachment, from this material attachment. Unless you disinfect it, there is no question of you getting happiness. Tapadivyam putreka jena satyam suddhate brahma sokhyam anantam. Brahma sokhyam anantam. You want unlimited happiness, you have to first cure yourself. I want to eat so many things, varieties of food, but I am disease condition. I have been restricted to eat. Therefore, material existence due to attachment, due to infection, we have been restricted for the unexhausted happiness, unlimited happiness, unending happiness. That is our problem. We want to be happy. Everybody want to be happy. We are part and parcel of the Lord. Lord is Sachidananda, Anandamaya Bhasya. But because due to our infection, due to our diseased conditions in this material world, we have been restricted by no, you cannot eat. The so-called happiness is nothing, is just illusory. So disinfection is important. For disinfection, we have to, just like a patient who has this problem or who is in disease condition, he goes to a physician for cure. Similarly, we have to associate with a physician. That physician is a devotee who cures. Krishna said to come to me, you have to engage in devotional service. Means we have to cleanse all this infection. And for that, by cleansing process and devotional service is very, very important. Without devotional service, as Krishna say that bhaktya mamami jananti javanja chasami tat. So only by devotional service we can know me. Tatamama tattva gata visati tad anantaram, you will come to me. You want to be disinfected, you want to come to me, you want to terminate this miserable material existence, we have to disinfect yourself. Without disinfecting, you cannot. We have to stop this pernicious effect, stop this attachment and change the attachment to Krishna. Krishna is demanding that. Sarva dharman parityaja manmana bhava madabhakta. 1154 he told, Ananyastu mama bhaktya evam eva buddha arjuna ananyastu bhaktya. So by devotional service only we can do. And that devotional service cannot be attained without the sadhu sangha. So eva sadhu sukirta. Without sadhu we cannot attain that platform of devotional service. We cannot disinfect ourselves. We cannot disinfect ourselves from this material attachment. We need higher taste. That higher taste is that devotee association. We cannot stop our attachment. We cannot stop desiring. We cannot stop associating. But we associate with sadhu. All our attachment we should transfer to the sadhu and Krishna. Particularly sadhu, because sadhu is the carrier of the bhakti. And we have bhakti means Krishna is already there. Aham bhakta paradhina. Krishna is already there when there is a bhakti. So therefore sadhu sangha is very, very important. All scripture has loudly proclaiming this very fact that without association of devotee, one cannot become liberated. One cannot attain Krishna. That is not possible. Therefore, sadhu eva saeva sadhu sukrita. Our attachment should transfer to sadhu. Then we can change our life. Because our life is now in a very, very precarious condition. We are very disease condition, infected. A person is infected means either COVID, Bhabarog or COVID-19. Nobody will go and come to me. His life is very dangerous, precarious, very obnoxious, very miserable. So we are also infected by Bhavarog. Therefore we have to cure, and that cure can be possible by the sadhu sangha. So eva sadhu sukirta. We need sadhu sangha. So therefore it is stated in Chaitanya Charitamrita, (2251) beautiful verses here. So it's a beautiful verses in Chaitanya Charitamrita. It is described here that the importance of sadhu sangha. Mahat kirpa bina. Let me check the sound system. It is said that Mahat kirpa bina kono karme bhakti naye. Krishna bhakti dure rahu sansara nahe khaya. Beautiful verse this. Unless one is favored, this is spoken by the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Sanatana Goswami about the importance of devotee association. Unless one is favored by a pure devotee, one cannot attain the platform of devotional service. To say nothing of Krishna bhakti, one cannot even be relieved from the bondage of material existence. First of all, we have to disinfect ourselves. Then we can attain the bhakti. Then only we can go back to Godhead. Going back to Godhead is not just cheap things, no. Krishna says that for going back to first of all, we have to, what is that, that mam cha vicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samatitaitam brahma bhuyah kalpate. Brahma bhutta prasanatma na sochati na kankyati madabhakti labate param. Krishna saying in 14th chapter that so first of all you have to disinfect, to transcend these modes, disinfect. After disinfecting only you can begin your bhakti. Therefore very next verse 1854 when he says that Brahma Bhutta Prasanatma, 1855, 54, 55 he says that this, Krishna immediately says that Bhakta Mama Vijananti Javanja Sami Tattva Tattva Mama Tattva Gantva Visate Tadanantaram. By bhakti only we can attain. And that bhakti can be achieved only by devotee association. Because bhakti is the just like a copper wire. The copper wire is the carrier of electricity. As soon as you touch the copper wire, you will be electrocuted. Similarly, the bhakti is the conduits of bhakta. That means bhakta is the carrier of bhakti. They are like a copper wire. The carrier of bhakti. As soon as we touch with the bhakti in any way, by hearing, by that somehow and other we can associate with devotees, particularly self-realized devotee, then our dormant Krishna consciousness will awaken. The bhakti will awaken. And all this attachment will vanish. Just like, when there is a dawn, all the thieves, rocks, they will, go away. Similarly, as soon as bhakti is so potent that as soon as it comes, automatically all this bad quality will go. All this attachment will go. We have seen practically that in case of Mrigari, how he was half hunter, he was killing half dead animals. As soon as Narada, he associated with Narada Muni, an ant also he does not want to kill. That is the transformations. Saeva sadhu sukirta. Sadhu sukrita. This is the sadhu the effect of sadhu sangha. There are so many instances in the history that when Narada Muni, in association with Narada Muni, there are so many transformation. Even Ajamila, all the devotees, so many devotees, Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj, in association of devotees, there is change. You can see this Valmiki Rishi, he was a forest robber actually, he was a thief actually, but he changed to become a great Valmiki who compiled the greatest epic Ramayana. So how sadhu sangha is very important. Therefore it is said that sadhu sangha sarva shastra kahe. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has declared that sadhu sangha sarva shastra kahe, lavamatra sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hoye. Even a very moment, not so big. Moment means in purport, say 11th of a second. Lavamatra means 11th of a second. That means how much? It is very little. Association of devotees one is really get all perfection of life. As soon as we sadhu sangha, our awakened dormant Krishna consciousness, everybody has got the dormant Krishna consciousness. That is called Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema Sadhu Kavya Neha Sravanadi Shuddha Chite Karye. That is stated in this beautiful verses. That is in, I think, 21:36. That is stated in this beautiful verse, Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema. 22:107, sorry, 22:107. It is stated in this beautiful verses that Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema Sadhu Kavya Naye Sravanadi Shuddha Chite Karyeka. Pure love for Krishna is eternally established in the heart of the living entity. It is not to be gained from another source. When heart is purified by hearing and chanting, this love naturally awakens. So we are infected. Our infection not in the lungs like COVID. Our infection in the heart. Heart disease. Hridrogo. Kama Hridrogo. We have this lust for the material things. It is there in the heart. That heart has to be disinfected. Here it is said that it is already there because it is contaminated, just like a magnet. The magnet is already attracted to the iron, but if it is rusted, it will lose this magnetic power of attracting. Therefore, here it is said that then when we are contaminated, Sangajukta dosha jukta, when we are contaminated by this material attachment, we lose this our natural attraction for Krishna, and that can be awakened just like a rusted magnet. That can be regain his magnetic power if it is cleansed properly. Similarly, when our consciousness is purified, that time we regain our natural proclivity, natural propensity, natural attraction for Krishna, which is very natural. Krishna Nitya Siddha is because we are all part and parcel of the Lord. Somehow or other we have fallen down. We have chosen to be fallen down. We have turned away from Krishna. We have forgot Krishna. As a result, we are having so much other attachments other than Krishna. Now to go back to Krishna or stop this material existence, we have to again revive our attachment. And that revival process can be made possible by the sadhu. Therefore, sadhu eva sakirtam. So eva sadhu sukirtam. Mukhya dharam apabritam. Mukhya dharam apabritam. You want to get out from this material existence, sadhu. So eva sadhu. We have to transfer our attachment, this material attachment, my wife, my children, my bank balance, my job, so on and so forth. This so-called attachment is very temporary, just like a castle. When you build a castle, the ocean will come and immediately destroy it. Similarly, all this material attachment, they are like a castle. It is very nicely stated in these beautiful verses. This is like a castle actually. 7:7, it is stated by the Prahlad Maharaj. One richest, beautiful wife, female friend, one son, daughter, one's residence, one domestic animal, cows, elephant, horse, treasury, economic development, sense gratification, indeed even the lifetime which we can enjoy all this material opulence are certainly temporary and flickering. Since the opportunity of human life is temporary, what benefit can this material opulence give to sensible men who has understood to be eternal? And all this paraphernalia, another verse 7:45, again he repeated, all this paraphernalia is very near and dear as long as the body exists. But as soon as body is destroyed, all things related to the body are also finished. Therefore, actually one has nothing to do with them. But because of ignorance, one accepts them as valuable. Compared to the ocean of eternal happiness, they are most insignificant. What is the use of such insignificant relationship for the eternal living being? See, we are eternal living being. We are part and parcel of the Lord. We have that eternal relationship with Lord. So we are just, out of illusion, we are accepting this ignorance, this temporary relationship, temporary attachment for our, for temporary happiness. That is the root cause of our bondage. Jositam tamadvaram jositam sangasangam. Jositam. We are so much sense gratification and omen. All this attachment is very temporary. Therefore, we are suffering in this material world. What is the use of that insignificant? Just like supposing somebody will say that you come to our office and in the very beginning he told, I will give you this, okay, today you work for me, I will give you $100. Immediately he give you $100, but under condition that when you leave, I will take back $100. Who is going to work? The same thing. We have come here to possess something, but it is temporary, flickering, fading, flying. All our achievement, all our so-called attachment, so-called position, so-called association, all this association, attachment, achievement, all are transient, all are flickering. It's going to lose, it's bound to lose. It has to lose, it must lose. Therefore, what is the use of this benefit? What is the use of this benefit? Therefore, it is stated that there is no benefit in this particular all these things. So one should not attach to that. Rather, one should transfer the attachment to the sadhu, because he is a doctor. He will show you the path way back to Godhead. So eva sadhu sukirta mokkha dwaram apavritam. He knows the way. He is the navigator. He is the GPS system, guru position and system. He is the navigator. He navigates you that how to go back to Godhead. Because we have the natural attraction is there, because we have to revive that, and revive process is by hearing process. By hearing prasannatam sokotha Krishna, srimatam sokotha Krishna, punya sravana kitna, hudantastani avadrani, all this infection in the heart, all this attachment, all the loss, sanjayate kamaha. Due to our association, I am associating with drunkard, I am associating with my materialistic friend, I am associating with women. All this association is creating a lost. That lost is called kama. Kama means disease condition. Hrud kama. Rogo. This rogo disease. This kama. And due to this lost, as Krishna say, kama esa krodho esa rajaguna samudbhava. They are the greatest enemy of the living entity. They bewilder us. They are the greatest enemy. The lost is the most important thing. So therefore, due to attachment, the lost develops. From the lost, anger, bewilderment, blah blah blah, enviousness, all the kamanuja. They call kamanuja. All his sibling comes. Krodho, kama, lobho, mada, maschara, everything followed kama. Kama is kama anuja. Kama is big brother. And due to this attachment, we are developing that kama. Therefore, Krishna says that no, you have to disinfect yourself by hearing process. There is nothing in this attachment is so-called attachment. You have been entangled since lifelong, since time memorial, and repeatedly undergoing all this excruciating situation. Due to this attachment is just temporary, flickering. Very flickering. There is nothing in this attachment. Very, very flickering attachment. Therefore, sadhu, therefore this attachment you should transfer. If it is transferred, same attachment causes the bondage. Same attachment we transfer to sadhu, we attach with sadhu, that causes the liberation. Mukhya dharam apavritam. Same attachment, nothing. Just like same knife in the hand of the thief, he will kill. Same knife in the hand of the doctor, he will operate. He will operate. That is important. The sadhu is very important. Therefore, sadhu sangha, sarva shastra kail lava matra sadhu sangha. Even little moment association of sadhu. One time Prabhupada was flying, and one of the air, and he was, while flying, whenever he is hungry, he takes some puffed rice. That is called muri. In Bengali, it is called muri. So somehow a air hostess saw, and he knew that saintly person, and she asked, "Can I have a bite? Not bite. Can I have a palm of a little bit of muri, whatever you are taking, puffed rice?" Like, "Oh, sure." She asked, "What is this?" "This is puffed rice." "Okay, can I take the Prabhupada?" He asked Prabhupada directly. Prabhupada gave it. Then he told, "Very nice. Can I take everything?" Prabhupada gave it. By just eating that remnant of food, later on we understood that she became devotee. It's not accidental. It's not sentimental or whimsical statement. It is stated in Shastra also that, what is that verse? Yes, Bhakta Pada Dhuli, Bhakta Pada Jal, Bhakta Bhukta Avasesa, Ehi Tine Bol. The very important power of bhakti, three substances, the powerful substances, three powerful substances in bhakti is that Bhakta Pada Jal, Bhakta Pada Dhuli, Bhakta Bhukta Avasesa, Ehi Tine Bol. The three things, Bhakta Pada Jal, the water washing the lotus feet of the devotees, the dust of the, from the lotus feet of dust from the feet of the lotus feet of devotee, and Bhakta Bhukta Avasesa, the remnant of the food. By remnant, by taking the remnant also one can associate. Therefore, it is said that even a moment association. It was a moment association. Air hostess just now, get into the somehow bunk into the Prabhupada and ask for the muri, and by taking muri, later on he found that she has become a devotee. That is the power. What to speak about really associating with directly associating with devotee, serving his instruction, serving him, that is different. That is something very high. So how much? Therefore it is said that Dullava Manusya Deham Dehinam Khenabhangura. King Nimi is very nice statement is given in Srimad Bhagavatam 11-29 that Dehinam, what is that? Dullava Manusya Deham Dehinam Khenabhangura. Tatrapita Dullava Vaikuntha Priyadarsana. It's very difficult to get this human form of life. Absolutely difficult. Chaturis Saivam, Chaturas Saivam, Asitim Chaturas Saiva Lakshana, Brahmad Bihi, what is that? Brahmad Bihi, Manusya Jan, Manusya. Labda Sudullavam Idam Bahu Sambhamate. After so many evolution process, one got this, human form of life. But more rare is to Dullava, Tatrapita Dullava, Vaikuntha Priyadarsana, to see a devotee. So devotee seeing is so, rare. Very, very rare. So therefore devotee association is very, very important in our devotional life. Very, very important in our devotional side. So we should understand this importance of the association. Association change our life, change our habit. All this pernicious effect will be changed. So therefore it is said in this beautiful verse 22:55. In this verse it is stated, it's a beautiful 11-30, that sansarasmin khnodhopi satsanga sevadirnam Therefore, O completely sinless one, I ask you to kindly tell me what supreme good is. After all, even a half a moment association with pure devotee within this world of birth and death is priceless treasure for any man. Priceless treasure is even half a moment. We have read one moment. Now even half a moment association is so treasure, precious. As soon as we associate with devotees, we learn how to attend the devotional service. How? By hearing from them. Sadhu Sangha means Sravana Kirtana. Sadhu Sangha is not chit chatting, politics, sociology. Sadhu Sangha means Sravana Kirtana. That is Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Krishna say, what is the beautiful verses in Chaturshloka? Krishna say, what is that? बोधोयन्ति परस्परम मदचित मदगत प्राण बोधोयन्ति परस्परम कथांत च माम नित्यम तुष्टन्ति च कथांति च माम नित्यम रमन्ति च तुष्टन्ति च. So that is the thing. Devotee association doesn't mean that how are you, how is your business, how is your job, how is Modi ji, how is this going on. No, devotee association means completely only Sravana Kirtana, no mundane subject. That is, many people don't understand, misunderstand devotee association. Devotee association means like-minded devotee who are really seriously engaged in the service of the Lord. That is devotee association. Always Sravana Kirtana of Krishna, nothing else. Bodhoyanti parasparam कथांत च रमान कथांत च मामनित नित्य युक्तोपास कथांत च मामनित रमन तुष्टन्ति च रमन्ति च. They are always derive pleasure. Satang prasangam mama virya samminda bhavati utkanna satang prasangam mama virya samminda bhavanti utkanna rasayana katha apavarga vartamani yad jasanad apavarga vartamani bhakti rakti अनुक्रमिष्यति भक्ति रति अनुक्रम श्रद्धा भक्ति रति अनुक्रमिष्यति. Satang prasangam mama virya. Krishna say, with association of devotee the hearing process will very pleasing. By this process one can mukhya dharam apavritam. Same thing. So jasanad apavarga, we can, this is pavarga, infection, material infection or sangadosha yukta means we are apavarga, pa, that is pavarga, vernacular. Pa means parishram, vyartha, bhaya, bha means bhaya, ba. So in this way we are entangled and so much we are hustling bustling to the office, enormous stress, hard working hard, so much things we are doing, but at the end zero. Just like somebody invited, zero. I give some money and at the end of the day is taking back. That is what called pavarga. We are like a parishram, we are doing so much hard working. Pha means phena, the coming out, the saliva is coming out, so much hard working, enormous stressful life, exceedingly busy life. But all bharta, all fruitless. Result is zero at the end. Bhaya, always bhaya and fear, insecurity. Ma means murtu, finally we die. This is our life. This is called pavarga. Apavarga means just opposite. Mokhyadaram apavritam, that is apavarga. And that is possible by the sadhu sangha. Even half a moment of sadhu sangha is so important. Root cause, as soon as we associate with devotee, we hear about the Lord. As soon as we hear, we disinfect ourselves. That is also the disease medicine. Medicine is there in the doctor. Similarly, the medicine, the bhakti medicine with the Krishna, with the devotee. Therefore, it is said that Brahmanda Brahmite Kone Bhagyavana Jiva Guru Krishna Gurupapa Bhakti Lata Bij. The medicine you get by the association of devotee. Therefore, it is said that very important that this bhava osudo, this medicine. Nirpitat Seirupagiyamana bhava osudo. There are beautiful verses in Bhagavatam. It is said that this rogo, this kama rogo can be treated by the devotee by the process of hearing. Nirpitat Seirupagiyamana bhava osudo satamana viraman kamuttama sloki gunanubadam puman virajyate vinapasuganad. It is said that By hearing, glorification of Supreme Personality of Godhead is performed in parampara system, that is conveyed from spiritual master to disciple. Such glorification is realized by those no longer interested in the false and temporary glorification of the cosmic manifestation. Description of the Lord as the right medicine for conditioned soul, undergoing repeated birth. This description only can be possible by the association of devotee. Devotee association means always, they are always talking about Krishna. Who are the pure devotee mentioned here? In an assembly of pure devotee, 5, 12, 13, Jadavarat, speaking to Rahugana, King Rahugana, there is no question of discussing material subjects like politics and sociology. In assembly of pure devotee, there is discussion only the qualities, form, pastime, Supreme Personality of God. His praise and worship with full attention, and the association of pure devotee by constant hearing such topics respectfully. When a person who wants to merge into existence of absolute truth, abandon this idea and gradually become attached to the service of us. See, because by hearing process we develop this attraction. This is the medicine. Bhavo Sudho, Sota Manoviramat, hearing process. Our medicine is the oral reception, not by mouth, to hearing, to by ear, and from the doctor, from the devotees. That is why devotee association is very important. So eva sadhu sukrita. It will disinfect us, awakening our love of Godhead, then bring us back to Godhead. Mokhyadaram apabritam, mokhyadaram apabritam. That is why this devotee association is very, very indispensable, imperative, and important. Even abandon, those who want to merge to, impersonal existence, they also abandon. No. By hearing process, Krishna Katha is so purifying from the pure devotee. Pure devotee, that will develop. Therefore, devotees are very, very important. So, the association of devotee, very, very important. Krishna say, you cannot get me, you want to approach me, you cannot approach me directly. You have to approach me through devotees. Through devotee, it is stated in this beautiful verses. You cannot approach me. 11:28 of Madhya. Krishna says, Yame bhakta jana partha, name bhakta chate jana, mad bhakta nam jo me bhakta, tame bhakta tama mata. Beautiful verses in Adi Purana. Lord Krishna told to Arjuna in Adi Purana, it is stated, those who are my direct devotee are actually not my devotee, but those who are devotee of my servant are factually my devotee. Therefore, we have to, Krishna is sold out to devotee. We cannot approach Krishna, just like a ticket. A blockbuster movie's ticket is sold out, we have to go to blacker. Similarly, Krishna is a blockbuster, a Supreme Personality of God. And we have to, he is sold out. Aham Bhakta Paradina, he is already given a statement, I am already under the control of my devotee. So therefore, we have to approach a devotee to get that Krishna. To get Krishna, we have to approach a devotee. Therefore, he says that no. Yame bhakta jana partha name bhakta chate jana. Madhavakta nam jo me bhakta. Same jukta tamamata. My devotee of my devotee, actually my devotee. Those who are direct devotee, actually not my devotee. They don't know the process of how to attain me. To attain me, I have to go to. Because bhakta are the conduits of bhakti, the carrier of bhakti. Tirtham kurbanti tirthani. Hudayantastani gadadhara. What is that? Tirtham kurbanti tirthani. They are pilgrimage personified. We go to pilgrimage to purify, but as they are personified purify, as soon as we come in contact, immediately we will be purified. Because they are always carrying the Lord in the heart. Hudantustani gadadrita. Therefore, it is stated in Bhagavatam that 5:11, I think. No, 1. It is stated in this it is stated that even the So it is stated that even this little bit of 118 तुल्यामा लवेने भी न स्वर्गम नापुन्नार भवम भगवत संगी संगस्य मूर्त्याम की आशीषा. Value of moment association with devotee of Lord cannot be compared even with the value of attaining heavenly planet or liberation from matter. What to speak about speak of worldly benediction in the form of material prosperity, which are those who are meant for death. So value of moment association that cannot be even compared to this heavenly planet. These verses are 3 times repeated actually. What to speak about worldly benediction that cannot be compared to even liberation, heavenly planet or liberation from matter. That is the importance of sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha is so indispensable. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu even say this beautiful verse at 2283 that that Krishna bhakti janma mulya hoye sadhu sangha. Krishna prema janme tena puna mukta jogo mukta sorry kena tena mukhya anga. The root cause of devotional service is to Krishna devotional service to Lord Krishna is association with the advanced devotee. Even when one's dormant love for Krishna awakens, association with devotee is still most essential. See, the devotee association is most essential even after you awaken this devotional service. Therefore, it is said that the association of devotee is the root cause of our liberation. We have to change our life, we have to change our association. It is stated that we are average of the 5 people you are attached. When you attach to somebody, we imbibe the qualities. So when you associate with the saintly, we become saintly. We associate with a drunkard, we become drunkard. Narada Muni associate with saintly person, he took the remnant of food, he became Narada. That is important. There are so many cases, Prabhupada cases, Murgari cases, so many cases that simply by associating with the Lord, they become purified. Ajamila actually it is stated in Purana, this Ajamila by chanting his son name Narayana. A sinful person, how he will give the Narayana name to his younger son? That is not acceptable. I mean, not expected. So how it happens? During his pregnancy, because he was very lusty, he married to a prostitute and he had so many children. And at the 80 years also he has his wife was pregnant. That time few devotees came across to few sadhu saintly person came across to his house, and somehow they are happy and came across the house by this little association, and they only gave the name to his younger son named Narayana. So as a result, what happened? As soon as the devotees gave the name of the younger son Narayana, that time this Ajamila's fortune has become opened up. His liberation, Mukhyadaram Apavritam, opened up. Every time he is calling his Narayana, all his sin, mountainous sin become vanish. At the end of the day, therefore what is that? Yamaraj, Yamaduta, they were astonished that this person who has committed all kind of sin under the sun, how it is possible that he is eligible to go to Vaikuntha? They were very amazed, they are astounded, they are asking, what is this? We have never had such a previous cases. But they have forgotten that because of asking Narayana by calling Narayana, not only at the time of death, before also he has been called. By that process, he has get rid of all, banish all, extinguish all the sins. All the sins. That is sadhu sangha. Cheta darpana mardanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. As soon as you are sadhu sangha, you will hear, you will learn how to chant, how to hear. What will happen? Cheta darpana mardanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. Shreya kairava chandrika vitaram vidyavadu jivanam. Punna amrita swadanam anandam buddhivardhanam. Paramajate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Simply they will cleanse our infection completely pure, like a vaccination like COVID, Covaxin, and Pfizer and all the things, Moderna. They cleanse all this infection will be disinfect. You will be immune to all these modes of nature, because due to this infection modes of nature, we are attached to some modes. Sanjate kama. Therefore, we are developing that qualities. As a result, we are entangled in this material existence in its, that is our suffering, that is root cause of our suffering. So we have to disinfect, and this disinfection is to transfer our attachment, same attachment, to sadhu. Soeva sadhu sukirta mukhya dharam apavritam. That is the formula Bhagavatam say. We'll go to the next verse. We'll see 2085. Sorry, 84. It's a beautiful verse. This is spoken by the, I think, Muchukunda 1051, Muchukunda 1050 and 53. Beautiful verses. O my Lord, infallible Supreme Person, when a person wandering throughout the universe becomes eligible for liberation from material existence, he gets an opportunity to associate with devotee. When he associates with devotee, his attraction for you is awakened. You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the highest goal of topmost devotee and Lord of the universe. So our goal of life is to attain Krishna. And Krishna, as he said everywhere, Rupa Goswami, Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita that yes, bhakti only, bhakta mama vijanati, through bhakti only I can be attained, I can be conquered. Bhagavatam also he say so many places that only by bhakti I can be attained. Na sadhat imam yogya, na sankhya, na sankhya, na tapastyaga, na sodhayas, jatha bhaktir mamorjita. Only by bhakti I can be obtained. Nayam sukapa bhagavana gopika dehinam. There are so many verses there where he says that only by bhakti I can be. Other thing I cannot be. I cannot be conquered by any other method. That is also Prahlad Maharaj has already given 799 Bhagavatam. He has already stated the same statement 799 that you cannot please by any other process. Very nice verses actually. We should manya dhana you see, like manya dhana avijana rupa tapa sutaujas teja prabhava bala purusha buddhi jogo naradhaya hi bhavanti parasya pumsa. Naradhya, you cannot worship the Lord or please the Lord by all this method. Bhaktya tutasya bhagavana gajajuttapaya. Very beautiful verses quoted by Prahlad Maharaj 799, that one may possess wealth and aristocratic family, beauty, austerity, education, sensory expertise, luster, influence, physical strength, diligence, intelligence and mystic yogic power. But I think that even by all this qualification, one cannot satisfy Supreme Personality of Godhead. However, one can satisfy the Lord simply by devotional process, service. Gajendra did this, thus the Lord was satisfied. So, all this quality, material quality will not satisfy Krishna, will not attract Krishna. We need the attraction of Krishna, we need the attention of Krishna, because we want to go back Krishna, back to Godhead. Stop this material existence. Stop this obnoxious material existence. So for that Krishna says that by devotion. Gajendra has no qualification, no knowledge, is a high elephant, but due to he was in a very excruciating situation, struggling as we are everybody in a crisis, under crisis material existence. So he is also a very excruciating situation. And what he did, he was by devotional service, he did it. He has no material qualification, but he simply pray to the Lord, Narayana Khila Guru Bhagavana Namastate. Simply by praying. Draupadi also, simply by praying he got it. Hey Krishna Dwaraka Vasini, Hey Govinda Dwaraka Vasini, Krishna Gopi Jana Priya, Kauravayu Kauravo Pratibhutam Janasi Kimna Kesava, He Natha Ramanatha Brajanathathi Nasanam Kairavaranava Bhagmang Mam Uddharasya Janardana. Krishna Krishna Mahajogin Vishwatma Vishwa Bhagavana Prapanam Paimam Govinda Kurumad Devasiditam. I am sinking in this assembly of Kuru. Please, just praying, simply devotional, nothing else, no qualification, no big scripture, nothing. Simply praying, my Lord, hey Natha, hey Ramanatha, hey Brajanatha, please help me, I am sinking in this in this assembly of Kuru. I am drowning in this ocean of greed. Please help me. So Lord came and helped. Here it is say that Bhaktya tussasti Bhagavana. Only bhakti Krishna is pleased. Same things actually again he is repeating. So the bhakti is very important. In 51, 52 also the same thing he is repeating, that only by bhakti. Na sadhati mam yogya, na sankhya, na dharma uddhava. Krishna says, na sadhati mam yogya. You cannot obtain me by yoga system, by Sankhya philosophy. No, only thing that jata bhaktir mamorpita, by bhakti only. Aham bhakta paradinahi, aswatantra ibhadirta. Aham bhakta paradinahi. So through bhakti only I can be conquered. That is the only thing. So therefore, Rupa Goswami, our Acharya, he has already delineated, already explained that how to attain that. What are the bhakti, 64 limbs of bhakti that constitute bhakti. And out of 64, and he has to pick up 5, because we cannot do bhakti whimsically. It has to be properly done according to the Sadhu Shastra Guru. So by Nana Shastra Vicharanika, by analyzing all the Shastra, so he has picked up the 64 devotional service. Any one of them if we do, we can perfect it. So out of 64 he picked up. He told, if I have to pick up, I have to pick up 5. What is that? Sadhu Sangha Nama Kirtana Bhagavat Sravana. Then Mathura Vasa Murtera Seva Shraddhaya Seva. So that is stated in these beautiful verses. What is that? Yeah. 22:1-8. In this verse 22:1-8 of Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is said that Sadhu Sangha Nama Kirtana Bhagavata Sravana Mathura Vasasi Murtira Sudha Seva. The 5 things is there. One should associate with devotee, chant the holy name of the Lord, hear Srimad Bhagavatam, reside in Mathura, worship the deity with faith and love. Out of this 5 become, he has already prioritized. The first place he has put that one should associate with devotees. Because devotee association with Adau Shraddha, we have little faith, is the flickering faith, because we have already detached from the Lord, the faith has gone. So called little faith is there. That faith can be unsovering, can be strengthened by the Adau Shraddha Tatha Sadhu Sangha. The very next thing, our devotional step, devotional processes, Adau Shraddha, little Shraddha is there, somehow and other flickering, that can be strengthened by Sadhu Sangha. When Sadhu Sangha is there, the Bhajana Kriya. The Bhajana Kriya is Sravana Kirtana. When Sravana Kirtana, then we can go slowly, we will have that taste, we have the fixed up Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhava, Prema. This is the process. As soon as you have Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nirviti Sadh, all our infection will be clean. Then we have become fixed up. Now we are healthy condition. Now we have to eat. That is called Ruchi. That Ruchi will come. Just like a disease condition, he has no taste for eating. As soon as he become healthy condition, he has that taste. So we don't have Ruchi. We have no Ruchi. Just like in Nectar of Instruction, Rupa Goswami say, we are like a disease condition, jaundice patient. We feel like bitter. Sweet also I am taking bitter. So this nectar is this Krishna Katha or Sadhu Sangha is by nectar. Sadhu Sangha is very nectar. But that nectar we feel like, oh, this is bitter, this is like poison. Because we are disease condition. But still we have to take. Even after you don't like it, you say that in this verse, even after without knowledge, whatever it may be, we have to have associate with devotee. By associating with devotee, this infection will be cleansed. And then we will have taste to eat. Taste, oh, I am thinking, now I am tasting, oh, it is sugar. Sugar is sugar. Otherwise, sugar is bitter. Asajameta manushalokam visam parittada. Visam pibanti. Sudham parittada. Sudham parittada visam pibanti. Narayana namani gochorani anya baka kuka patandi. They have taken they are thinking that Narayana name is worst, is like a poison. But nectar is all nonsense thing, mundane things, psychology, sociology, politics, all the things. You have seen this when old people, you go to a park, either in Delhi or Bhubaneswar, you go to park, the old men will be, what they are talking, old men? Oh, Modi government, when he will going to increase our pension? You are going to Mandanam Galitam, you are old man, you are going to die today or tomorrow. COVID is coming, that means you are dead actually. Yes sir. You are talking about politics, talking about your attachment, how to increase your pension. What is this nonsense? This is all this attachment. Suttabadini Rajendra, Sukadev Goswami, the first thing he told, Suttabadini Rajendra Ninnam Santi Sarsa, Apasyatam Atma Tattva Gruhe Sugura Medina. They have no interest for this Krishna Katha, Hari Katha, Sadhu Sangha. Simply they are wasting their time, hearing all nonsense. They have not seen, they are busy in all this accumulating money. Morning they are busy, hustling, bustling to the office, maintaining their family. Night they are all having either sleeping or sex life. Inevitable death. They are forgetting, they are so much oblivious to the inevitable death. Pasyana vina pasyanti. Pasyana vina pasyanti. They do not see that inevitable destruction. So much encumbered with family life. So much. Tesam nidhanam pramatha nidhanam pasyana vina pasyanti. Tesam pramatha nidhanam. They are going to be destroyed, but they don't see. They see that my father, grandfather died, this died, but still they are going to enjoy. That is the position. Therefore, it is a sadhu sangha is very important. By sadhu sangha, you will have a chance of hearing. Parikshit Maharaj, when asking that what is on the verge of death, a person, what should you do? What one should do? What is the duty? Then Sukadev Goswami is explaining. Now people are not interested. They don't care for inevitable death. How much they are precarious situation. The so-called happiness, for illusory happiness, they have given up everything. They become mad. They don't see inevitable destruction. Death is waiting behind. In front, the time is taking away. Ayur Varati Vaipunsam. Every day we are dying, we are reducing our life. They don't see that. Pasyana vina pasyanti. This is stated 429, 53, 54 verses. They do not see all these dangers, precarious condition. All sides they are in danger, they are attacked. Still they are enjoying in a death queue. That is very, very pathetic condition. Therefore Sukadev Goswami say, no. Tasamad Bhagavan Sarvatma Ishvara Hari Sroteva Kirtitavyacha Kirtiteva Smrtevacha Ichchata Abhayam. You want Abhayam, you are all Bhaya now. Anytime you can leave. This body insecurity is there. You want Abhayam from this material existence, from this infection, from this death. We have to hear, you have to chant, you have to meditate. And that is possible. A sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha. Possible. Therefore, sadhu sangha is very, very indispensable. Therefore, he say that so eva sadhu sukritam mukhya dharam apadrita. Today verses. By sadhu sangha one can easily attain the mukhya dharam. Mukhya dharam can be attained. So in this regard, there are so many things. Krishna has very, very spoken very nicely in this 11th canto to Uddhava, that my dear Uddhava, I am personally the ultimate 11:11:48. I am personally the ultimate shelter, way of life, saintly liberated person. That if one does not engage in my loving devotional service, which is made possible by associating with my devotees, Krishna has confirmed this. The devotional service is only made possible by my devotee. Then for all other practical purposes, one possesses no effective means for escaping from materialism. No. Only by devotional service we can escape from the materialism. Krishna confirmed to Uddhava 11:11:48. And that is made possible by devotee association. That is made. Beautiful verses, 11:11:48. Sat sangena vinodo bhava. Prayena bhakti yogena satsangena vinodava. By satsanga only we can get it, no other way. Very nice verses. Again he said, many verses Krishna has beautifully stated. Satsanga labdha bhaktya mai manasa upasita savai me darchitam sadvi anjassa vindhanti padam. Very beautiful verse. One who has obtained pure devotional service by association with my devotee, always engaged in worshipping me, thus he very easily goes to my abode, which is revealed by my pure devotee. That is the way that pure devotee will give the reveal. Pure devotee will reveal the formula, the process of going back to Godhead, way back to Godhead. So devotee association is the way back to Godhead. So you have to change your life or way back to Godhead. You have to change your association. Change your association. So eva sadhu sukrita. That is what our today's discussion. Krishna is repeating it. Not only that, again he told, the devotee of the Lord, peacefully fixed in absolute knowledge, are the ultimate shelter for those who are repeatedly rising and falling within the fearful ocean of material life. Such devotees are just like a strong boat that comes to rescue person who are at the point of drowning. We are all at the point of drowning. Just like Draupadi is, praying that, Kuru madhya vasiditam. We are maya madhya vasiditam. We are sinking in the midst of maya, in the ocean of material. In this material ocean. We are all sinking. Maya madhe, we are sinking. Here it is, Krishna says, those who are sinking, drowning, repeatedly drowning. Today I am dying, or tomorrow I am dying, I have to die. Again I have to take birth, again I have to die. That means I am rising, falling down is going on. That repeated birth and death going on. I am rising and falling down. In that in this fearful ocean of material life, Krishna himself certified the fearful ocean of material life is fearful ocean. Every time fear only. Bhaya. Bhayapra. The ocean is full of, this material existence is full of fear only. Big shark. Always bhaya. And we have been thrown in the middle of the ocean. Only boat, only way to rescue. We cannot swim. We may be very expert, I am very good karmi, I am very good jnani, I am very good yogi, we cannot. Only thing you want to rescue, you want to be rescued by the devotee. They are like a boat. They will come and tell you, this is the process, catch hold of this one. Krishna consciousness, catch hold of this. Lotus feet of the Lord. Samasritet pada pallava plavam punyajassa hari murari bhavam vadu vaccha padam yad vipadam nateti sam. So Krishna boat, Krishna lotus feet is like a boat. There here it is said that devotees also are like a strong boat to come to rescue. Strong boat, not only just flickering boat, strong boat. That's like not Titanic, like it will accident and everybody will die. No, strong boat that cannot be drowned. That is devotee. Beautiful verses. Beautifully Krishna has spoken this. 11:26-34. Again he said that sun, very nice. My devotee bestow divine eyes, whereas sun allows only external sight. That only when it is rising in the sky. My devotee are one's real worshipable deities, real family, and they are one's own self. Ultimately, they are non-different from me. See, very how much position he has given his own position. Not only his position, Madhavakta Pujyadika, he said that my devotee is more worshipable, more than me, more worshipable than me. That is that how much he is exalted, how much he has put the devotee in a highest pedestal, just like he become a driver of his devotee Arjuna charioteer. See, that itself is a proof that position of the devotees. Aham bhakta paradhina swatantra vyadijya sadhunam hidame mayam sadhava udame toham tadanyatma na janati. Krishna says, I don't know anything. They are in my heart, I am in their heart. Sada Govinda base. So this is the position Krishna is speaking to Uddhava. Therefore, sadhu is very important. It is sadhu, sangha is very. An intelligent person should therefore reject all bad association, instead take up the association of saintly devotee, whose words cut off the excessive attachment of one. Our problem is attachment. One's mind, I'm thinking only is my relative, my wife, my children, my this, my that, my money, my country, my community. I'm thinking and developing that attachment. Sanjayate kama, sangat sanjayate kama. Due to this attachment, this excessive attachment that can be cut off simply by the process of sadhu sangha. All these pernicious habit can be destroyed, can be cut off by the sadhu sangha. That's why I say very, very beautiful verse this one, 11:26. So there is very important. Sadhu sangha is very important. On the other hand, if you associate with a non-devotee, that is very sangha. It is very, very bad. They say that one should never associate with materialistic, those dedicated to gratifying their genitals bellies. By following them, falls into deepest pit of darkness, just like a blind man who follows the another blind man. See, one should never associate with materialistic. We will develop the bad quality. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Asasanga Tyaga Ehi Vaishnavacharya. Who is asata? Who is the bad? What is that bad association? Who is abhakta, who is non-devotee, another who is very much into sense gratification, particularly towards women. Bhogoishyara pasaktanam. So much Bhogoishyara, they are so much overwhelmingly attached to the material glamour, they cannot awaken their Krishna consciousness. That is very bad. Associating with them, we will lose our quality, spiritual quality. Lose, it is stated in this beautiful verses. You associate with the people who are so much into it, so we will be losing our all the things. Therefore, the sadhu sangha is very asadhu sangha is you should abandon this durjana sangha. Durjana sangha, you should abandon this one. It is stated in this verse. Association for sense gratification 3:23:55. Path of bondage, but same type of association performed with the saintly person lead to path of liberation. If performed, even if performed without knowledge, same things. Even if performed without knowledge also, still this association is very important. It will lead us to the path of liberations. Therefore, Soeva sadhu sukirta, same point actually this in these verses also. Soeva sadhu sukirta nisangattoya kalpate. Same thing. Mukhudaram apavritam. It will open up the gate of liberations. So, see, sadhu sangha is very, very important. Asadhu sangha is very bad. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say that by asadhu sangha is very, very association with materialistic person is like hanta visavakhyanta. Niskanchanasya bhagavata bhajana mukhyasya param jigamisya bhavasagarasya sadarsana visayana matha jositam cha, again jositam cha hanta visavakhyanta apya sadhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that greatly lamenting the Lord, then informs Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, alas, for a person who is seriously desiring to cross material ocean and engage in transcendental loving service of the Lord without material motives, seeing a materialist engage in sense gratification or seeing a woman who is similarly interested is more abominable than drinking the poison willingly. Is more abominable. Associating with materialistic person, non-devotees or the sense gratifier, womanizer is more, dangerous. More dangerous, more abominable than drinking poison. Hanta visavakhyanta apyasa. Same thing also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained to Sanatana Goswami in this verse. No, not in this verse. I think 20 to 90. In this verse, that beautiful verse 20 to 91, it is better to accept the miseries of being engaged within the bar surrounded by burning flame than to associate with those bereft of Krishna consciousness. Such association is very great hardship associating with materialistic non-devotee. We will develop the material desire, we will be more and more entangled in this material existence. So opening the door of Tamodvaram Joshitam Sangi Sangam. Therefore they are very important. The last verse I will show you that on the other hand the association of devotee, what will happen, very nice verses. Yam sanglabda nijavarya vaivavam. This verse is very important. By associating with person whom the Supreme Personality of God and Mukunda is all in all, one can hear of his powerful activities, soon come to understand them. The activities of Mukunda are so potent that simply by hearing them one immediately associates with the Lord. For a person who constantly and very eagerly hears the narration of the Lord's powerful activity, the absolute truth, the personality of God in the form of sound vibration enters within his heart, cleanses it all the contamination. On the other hand, although bathing in the Ganges diminishes bodily contamination, infection, this process and the process of visiting holy place can clean the heart only after a long time. Therefore, who is the sane man who will not associate with devotees so quickly, perfect his life? Very nice verses to end with. Who will be that person who will not, because he is quickly perfect his life? There is another verses there very beginning. Sutta Goswami is telling, Ganges it will take prolonged time to infect, but as soon as you associate with the sadhu, immediately we will cleanse it. Immediately we will be purified simply by associating. That is the important of sadhu sangha association. So this is very important. Thank you very much. Sadhu sangha is very, very important. Therefore, one must seek for the sadhu and take shelter of him and hear about Krishna, Katha, and gradually purified go back to God. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All goes to Srila Prabhupada.